Offshore diplomatic offensive, onshore internal Congress strife. Operation Sindoor, envoy to the US Shashi Tharoor. Praise for Prime Minister Modi has once again landed him in a spot of trouble with his own party, the Congress.
Our Prime Minister has made it very clear. Operation Sindoor was necessary because these terrorists came and wiped the sindoor off the foreheads of 26 women by depriving them of their husbands and their married lives. In fact, there were some women who cried out, "The terrorists, kill me too." And they said, "No, go back, tell what happened to you." We heard their cries.
Tharoor calling the operation a bold symbolic move. Heaps of praises on the Prime Minister,
Our Prime Minister has
stating that the sindoor wiped from grieving women's foreheads has been avenged with the blood of terrorists. All of this clearly not gone down too well with his colleagues within the Congress. Congress leader Udit Raj turned on Tharoor, labeling him a super spokesperson for the Bharatiya Janata Party, accusing him of going overboard in praise for Modi and the mission, stating that previous governments never claimed credit like the BJP.
शशि थरूर जी बीजेपी के सुपर प्रवक्ता हैं जो बीजेपी के लोग नहीं कह पा रहे हैं। मोदी जी की चमचागिरी या मोदी जी का गुणगान जितना वो नहीं कर पा रहे हैं और बीजेपी के लोग उससे ज़्यादा शशि थरूर कर रहे हैं। पहले की सरकारें ढोल नहीं पीटती थी, तो ये शब्द वापस लेना चाहिए कि पहले ऐसा नहीं हुआ है।
One would have thought this was Udit Raj's personal opinion, but his tweet criticizing Tharoor was later retweeted by Mr. Pawan Khera. This is not the first time that Tharoor has found himself in the dock with his own party. Earlier on, Shashi Tharoor had made it clear, if the Congress doesn't want me, I have other options. Tharoor has been in Congress cold storage with a clear trust deficit within the party and even the High Command. Multiple reasons for it. For often praising the Prime Minister, for raising incompetence in Congress, for fighting Congress president elections against Gandhi's Khadge pick, for praising left economic model in Kerala. Is the Congress all set to lose another asset? Congress's Tharoor conundrum. Top focus on To The Point this evening.